kickstartcommerce.com, and in today's tutorial I'm actually going to show you how to go about adding a YouTube subscription widget as shown here to the right on my WordPress website. We're going to show you how to add it to your WordPress website. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm using a local version of WordPress, and so think of this as your site. What we're going to do is basically add that YouTube widget here on the right hand side. So go ahead and log in to the admin and go to your plugins and select add new. And once you get here, we're going to type in YouTube subscribe, and that's going to go out and search for a number of related plugins for YouTube subscription. You'll see YouTube subscribe. This is not the one. At the time, I actually tried this before and it did not work. However, it's actually looking for a channel ID and not necessarily a username. So feel free, if you know your channel ID, which is like an alphanumeric string, then go ahead and you can use that one and it should work. If not, there's another one that I like to use that uses either your username or your ID, and so it's called Easy Subscribe Button Widget. Go ahead and click install, and once it installs here, we'll click activate, and it is activated, and we will head over to appearance, widgets, and in the widgets area you will see a box that says YouTube subs at the very bottom to add your YouTube channel. You will click on it and pull it over to your sidebar, and again we're going to place this right above the search, and then in here I'm going to type in Kickstart Commerce. I'm going to go with the full layout, and you can change this to read out however you'd like. I'll just say please subscribe, click save, and you can hide the subscriber count, which it's set to default, which means to show, or you can select hide. Once you save it, then you can go back over, and when we click refresh, what we hope to see is a YouTube subscribe area. So yes, there it is. And so you can rename that title to whatever you want it to be, but there is the YouTube subscribe widget now on your website. So let me know if you have any questions, any comments about this plugin as well. Please feel free to go ahead and click to subscribe to my YouTube channel, whereby I share with you search marketing and WordPress tips and tricks, as well as domain investing and development strategies to help grow your business. Also, please feel free, if you're interested in terms of digital strategies to help you grow your customer base as well as your revenue, go ahead and come back over to kickstartcommerce.com and look for the blue sign up box here, and definitely feel free to subscribe to it, and you'll receive these updates into your inbox each week and each time that I release a new tutorial video. So thanks for this, and I hope this tutorial helps you out. So till next time.